Bienvenidos, estudiantes. Hoy vamos a trabajar en mejorar su comprensión auditiva en inglés. Escuchen con atención el siguiente diálogo entre dos jóvenes hablando sobre el trabajo y la vida profesional. Presten atención a la pronunciación, las expresiones y el vocabulario que utilizan.
Hey Mia, it's been a while. How have you been?
Hi Alex. I've been good, just really busy with work lately. What about you?
Same here. Work has been taking most of my time. Where are you working now?
I'm still at the restaurant downtown. It's not bad, but it can be exhausting.
I can imagine. Long hours, right?
Yeah, especially on weekends. Sometimes I work 10 or 12 hours a day.
Wow, that's a lot. Do you at least enjoy it?
I like my coworkers, and that helps a lot. But the job itself, not really.
So, are you thinking about changing jobs?
Definitely. I've been thinking about studying marketing and finding something different.
That sounds like a great plan. Why marketing?
I've always liked social media and creating content. I think I could be good at it.
You probably would be. Have you taken any courses yet?
Not yet, but I've been looking at some online classes. There are so many options.
That's true. Online learning makes everything easier nowadays.
Yeah, but it's also hard to choose the right one.
Maybe you can start with a beginner course and see how it goes.
That's a good idea.
What about you? Do you like your job? I do, actually. I work in a small tech company, and I enjoy the environment.
What do you do there?
I'm part of the customer support team. I help users solve problems with the software.
That sounds interesting. Is it difficult?
Sometimes, especially when customers are frustrated. But I've learned to stay calm.
That's an important skill. I deal with difficult customers too at the restaurant.
Oh yeah. What's the worst situation you've had?
One time, a customer complained about everything, the food, the service, even the music.
That sounds stressful. What did you do?
I just stayed polite and tried to help. In the end, my manager handled it.
Good move. Staying calm is always the best option. So, do you see yourself staying in your job long term?
That's great. Growth is really important.
Yeah, I might even get promoted next year.
Really? That's amazing. Congratulations in advance.
Thanks. Nothing is certain yet, but I'm working hard.
I'm sure you'll get it. You're very responsible.
I appreciate that. And I'm sure you'll find a better job soon too.
I hope so. I just need to take the first step.
Exactly. Starting is always the hardest part.
True. Once I begin studying, I think everything will become clearer.
And remember, you don't have to rush. Take your time and learn at your own pace.
Thanks, Alex. That really helps.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
So, do you want to grab a coffee and talk more about this?
Sure. That sounds like a great idea.
Perfect, let's go.
Great, this place looks nice. Do you come here often?
Not really, but I like it. It's calm and comfortable.
I usually like quiet places like this. It's perfect to relax after work.
Yeah, I need that after a long day at work.
So, Mia, what's your ideal job?
My ideal job. I think it would be something creative.
That sounds really interesting. You could work for a big company or even start your own business.
Maybe managing social media for a brand or creating content online.
Have you ever thought about being a freelancer?
Yes. I've thought about it, but I'm a little afraid.
It's not easy, but it gives you a lot of freedom.
I feel like it's risky, you know.
I agree. Having control over your time is very valuable.
But I also like the idea of working from home and being independent.
In my case, I like having a stable job, at least for now.
That makes sense. Stability is important too.
Maybe in the future, I'll try something different too.
Yes, it has. I've learned how to deal with people and handle stress.
Do you think your current job has helped you develop useful skills?
And I've improved my communication skills a lot.
That's actually very important. Communication skills are essential in any job.
That's true. Communication is everywhere.
Exactly. Even in tech, we spend a lot of time communicating with people.
I didn't think about that before, but it makes sense.
Sometimes people think tech jobs are only about computers, but that's not true.
Empathy is very important, especially when people are upset.
You also need patience and empathy.
Yes, actually. One day, a customer thanked me for my service.
Have you ever had a really good day at work?
She said I made her day better, and that felt really good.
That's nice. Moments like that make the job worth it.
That's exactly how I feel when something good happens at work.
I had a similar experience recently. I helped a customer solve a big problem.
Wow, that must have been a great feeling.
He was so grateful, and that made me feel proud.
Yes, those moments give you energy to keep going.
Those small moments can really motivate you.
Well, first I want to choose a course and start studying.
So, what are your plans for the next few months?
Then maybe I'll look for a part-time job in marketing.
That's a great plan. Step by step. And don't forget to practice your English too. It will help you a lot in marketing.
Oh yes, English is very important. I need to practice more. Thank you. I'm trying my best.
You're already doing great, by the way. Would you like me to help you practice sometimes?
I would love that. It would help me a lot.
We can have conversations like this more often.
Yes, let's do that more often.